Hello, friends, my dear students and parents. This is Sanyam Bhardwaj, Managing Director of Bhat and Bhat Tutorials, Bengaluru. I have been receiving many calls from students and parents regarding a news which has been circulating about the cancellation of 10th CBSE and 12th CBSE board exams. So through this video, I would like to clarify few official informations and points which have been released by CBSE board. So before going into that, let me just recollect the sequence of events which have happened in previous months. So please like this video, drop your opinions in the comment section and also share to the maximum so that all the students who are eagerly waiting for their exams to get the right information and avoid stress and strain. So let's dive into the points. So we know that the universities and schools have been closed on account of COVID-19 breakout, and exams have been postponed since March 16, 2020, and a nationwide lockdown was announced on 24th March 2020, which now has been extended till 3rd May 2020. As per the official information released by CBSE on 1st of April 2020, they were supposed to conduct exams on some important papers for the students who were affected by riots in northeast Delhi in the month of April. And also, a couple of days back, Delhi government, that is Mr. Manish Sisodia, via tweets, requested the board to promote all the students of 10th CBSE and 12th CBSE based on the internal marks assessment. So this has resulted in many confusions, and some news has been circulated in social. So let me clarify the points which were released officially by CBSE board. The board exams for CBSE 10th and 12th will be conducted on the first available possibility, and there is no move to cancel the examination, said an official on Wednesday 29th April 2020. I also would like to quote the official information passed by Mr. Sanyam Bhardwaj, the controller of examination CBSE. I would like to quote him as exactly said by Mr. Sanyam Bhardwaj. He said that recently there has been a lot of speculation regarding CBSE board exams. The board's decision to take exams for 29 subjects of class 10 and 12 stands the same. There is no change in position of conducting board exams. Therefore, exams will be conducted. So, dear students, it is quite clear now that there is no intention to cancel the examinations. However, along with this statement, CBSE has released some more important points. The board has clarified that an adequate amount of 10 days time will be given for all the stakeholders to conduct the board examination. But there is a news. The CBSE has clarified that they will not be conducting any exams for CBSE 10th and 12th for foreign students. The students are studying in schools in foreign which are affiliated to CBSE, the exams will not be conducted. Regarding the pending class 10 and 12 examination in the respective states, that is state board exams, the center has given a directive to the state board to conduct exams as feasible, decided by the however, most state boards have taken a decision to decide about the conduction of exams after lifting of the lockdown after 3rd of May 2020. However, there is a very important point to note in this, my dear students. So officials have already said that the COVID-19 cases have been increasing day by day, as a result of which malls, social gatherings, schools and colleges might not reopen after 3rd of May 2020. So again, the decision to conduct exams becomes tricky. So we have to wait and watch regarding the decision for state boards about conduction of exams after 3rd of May 2020. The Union HRD, Human Resource Department, has given directive for CBSE affiliated schools to start evaluation of the papers, those which have already been conducted. This directive was given on previous Tuesday, that is 28th of April 2020. There is a good news for JEE and NEET aspirants also. As per HRD minister officials, there are plans to conduct JEE and NEET exams in the month of June 2020. To summarize, I would like to quote CBSE officials' statement. The Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE also released a statement today clarifying about the National Educational Board will be conducting the remaining examinations, a total of 29 subjects, crucial for promotion and admissions to undergraduate courses, after assessing the situation after the coronavirus lockdown is lifted. So, total in all, students, no exams have been cancelled. So don't worry, don't take stress, as this is not just experienced by you, this is a condition we are collectively facing as a country. So I hope we all will overcome this pandemic and normalcy is restored at the earliest. So please stay home, stay safe, maintain social distancing. As I told earlier, many educational videos have been uploaded as well as will be uploaded in our YouTube channel Bhat and Bhat Tutorials. Please subscribe to the channel. I wish all the very best to all my dear students on behalf of Bhat and Bhat Tutorials. Thank you.